Welcome to Dolphin Innocence. Myself Neetu will give you information on CRM software known as Jai CRM. Jai CRM software will help us to automate our sales, marketing. We can keep track on our follow-up records and clients, and this will help us to improve our business. Now we have two modules in this Jai CRM, Module 1 and Module 2. Now we'll enter the login details for Jai CRM Module 1. Enter client ID, username and password and click on to next. After that, enter further login details like company's name, branch name, financial year and click on to login. In this way we enter into the software for Jai CRM Module 1. Now we'll know the menus like we have Masters, Transaction, Utility and Exit. Exit to exit from the software. In Masters we have CRM related person organizations. In person organization is a very important form where all details information of person or organization will be entered. After that we have contact type. Contact type details depends upon the organization. Contact type depends on the organization. For example, any contact which you want to enter in this form can be recorded. Contact group also same. As per the group required for your organization can be maintained in this form. Contact subgroup, we have family groups, country, country's names can be saved in this form. We have state, where states can be saved. City, district, where different cities and districts names can be saved. Taluka, suburb, again the same, taluka and suburb names can be saved. Street, nagar, building, house, education group registration, education hobby subgroup. These contact types, group, subgroup, family group, country, state, city, district, taluka, suburb, street, nagar, building, house will be required for person organization form. Now we'll move on to company related. In company related we have company master. Again in company master all detailed information about the company will be entered. Next, company branch. Now according to the branch all the detailed information will be entered in company branch form. Department in company branch. Now according to the department wise information will be entered in department form. Next, employee master form where the detailed information of the employees will be entered in this form. Now we'll move on to transactions. In transactions we have CRM related. Here we have kept SMS batch where SMS batch will be created according to the person type and contact type, group, subgroup. In utility we have admin. In admin we have facility for daily data backup, date lock, unlock, user account creation where you can create user logins. Again you have update new data structure. Now we'll see the forms in detail. In masters we have person organization. Now we'll see how to enter the data in person organizations. Click on to person organization. In this way the person organization master will be displayed. Here we have person code which will be auto generated. We have person name. We have to enter person's name. In this form person's name and birth date to be entered is compulsory. Other information is not mandatory. They are optional. According to your requirement you can enter the data. You can select the gender. If you want to enter you can enter the designation. We have kept reference name. If you want to keep references for this particular person you can select the reference name. If required you can select lead owner. In contact details you can enter the data as per your requirement. Building flat number, landmark, street name, railway station, pin code, mobile number, residential phone number, fax number, email address, website, any description you want to give can be entered. Now other details like country, country's name, state or city can be selected from the drop down list. If you want to keep the country's name, state and city by default, then for that you have to keep it by default in the masters of country, state and city. Taluka name. Person's photo and signature can also be browsed from here. And after entering all the data, you can save the data. Click on to save. The message will be displayed like record saved successfully. Then click on to OK. After clicking on to OK, here in red the question will be asked like want to add additional details. These entered are the basic information of a particular person, and if we want to add more details we have to click on to yes. In further additional details we can select contact type, contact group. These information will also come from the masters. Further details like family ID. If we have other address, you can add the other address, other office phone numbers, native address, and more valid information like PAN number, VAT-in number, service tax number, CST number, passport number, UID card number can also be entered. And then click on to save. In this way, the additional information will also be saved into the record. And in this form, we can select the person accordingly and search. If you want to go to add a new person, you can click on to add new. The next important form in this JCRM module 1 is CRM related. We have SMS batch. In SMS batch creation, this is also very important form where the SMS batches will be created according to person's type, contact type, contact group, contact subgroup. Here, item group, subgroup, master, batch number, event name will not be valid in module 1. This facility will be provided in module 2. In this form, we have person type where you have to select the type. These types will be defined as per your organization. You can define the types. For example, if we select student, so now we are creating SMS batch for student. And again, if we want to select a particular contact type for the student, we can select accordingly contact group or contact subgroup for the student related, and we can type the message related to that. The message content entered over here for particular person type. Now click on to create Excel file. You can save this file, Excel file, according to your required location. In this way the batches can be created for the particular type. This is all about JCRM module 1. For further add-on features, we have to move on to module 2. Thank you.